Nothing like your daughter begging for a spray tan at 8 o'clock at night, but lucky for her, I have this spray tan machine right here that is cordless, and I'm gonna put it to work. This spray gun is so lightweight, it's very easy to hold with the handle right there. And again, I love that it's cordless. All you have to do is charge it so there's no cords everywhere. And that blue light is golden. So you can see exactly where you're spraying. There are 3 levels of adjustments you can do with the sprayer. If you're spraying yourself, I would do it on a lower medium, but when you're doing someone else, because you can have a little more distance, you can definitely do it on the high spray. But this is such an even spray. It turns out beautiful. And depending on how you prep your skin before the tan, it'll last anywhere between 5 to 10 days. So you're gonna save a lot of money with this spray gun. This is what it looks like immediately after. Just look how beautiful that color is. She's just gonna sleep with it overnight and then shower in the morning. And you don't need a lot of solution. This is what I still have left over. This is almost the cost of getting a spray tan at a salon, so it's definitely worth having. I'm also gonna link the solution below because I think it's only $25 right now, and we've had this for about 5 months now. So you're only gonna use a little bit. I will link both of those below if you wanna get them while they're on sale.